Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a smoky eye using the e.l.f., the new Classics palette. Starting by priming my eyelid with concealer. Going in the crease with charcoal color. It's almost black, but not quite. With a smaller brush, I'm bringing it through the inner half of the crease and keeping it off the lid. Putting a metallic green-gray on the lid and blending it into the charcoal color. Adding a darker version of the lid shade to the outer corner and blending it with the crease and the lid. Highlighting the brow bone and blending out the charcoal shade for a softer transition. On to the next eye. You know, I don't really know what this color is. It's like greenish, goldish, but it's called platinum, which is a silver color, so I'm just confused. Priming my face with a hydrating primer. Concealing my dark circles with a mix of my two favorite concealers. I'm between shades. It's hard to ever find the right shade. Finishing the base with e.l.f. Halo Glow and Revlon Colorstay foundation. This is honestly the best medium to full coverage foundation I've used in a while. Setting the cream products, baking a little heavier under the eyes and T-zone, then lightly setting the rest of my face. Using a bronzer to warm up the perimeters of my face and the sides of my nose. Applying the Alamar Cosmetics Blush and Toasted. These are so pigmented. Add a little at a time. Highlighting the high points for some glowy shine. Melting down the powders. Framing the bottom lash line with the charcoal crease shade. Highlighting the inner corner with the brow bone shade. filling in my brows lightly, just to define them. Using the e.l.f. Brow Lift Wax to set my brows in place. Lining and tight lining with black to define the eyes further. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll. Yes, e.l.f. is my favorite brand, lol. Lining my lips and filling them in. I'm doing my favorite lip combo. This is the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind Cashmere Lip Pencil in Mocha. Finishing with the Maybelline Color Sensational Cream in Romantic Rose. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.